Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can delete a Kahoot quiz permanently from your Kahoot library. So let us guide you through this. Head over to your account on Kahoot, access your library here, click into Kahoots and go through your Kahoot list here and click into these three dots below. Expand these options by clicking into View All and here select Move to Trash. That is going to move the given Kahoot and all related assignments and reports to the trash folder. However, as you can see, removing it or moving into the trash folder doesn't delete it permanently. So you will need to, if you'd like to delete it permanently, navigate to the trash folder, click into these three dots or hover your mouse over that thumbnail of that Kahoot and click either restore or delete here in your trash folder. So I'm going to restore it, but you can also delete it permanently. Or if you click into that checkbox, you will have the opportunity here as well. However, guys, remember that permanently deleted Kahoots can't be restored anymore. So this can't be undone. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.